Hi accounting class, it's another great day to do accounting. Today we're going to be looking at a bonus problem for the third exam. This is the effective interest method. I know looking at this is going to look intimidating because it's a 30-year bond paying semi-annually. It has 60 different payments. But we're going to see the power of Excel here, and this one is going to be open notes, so students can use their notes. So you don't need to remember the formulas here, you can use your notes. So I have the notes, I have another monitor. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. I have all the formulas here from the lecture notes. So it gives you the bond information up here. The cash interest is just based on a formula. It's the face value of the bonds, 1, 2, 3, times the coupon rate, 6.25, divided by 2 because it's semi-annually. The bond's carrying value is the present value of all its future cash flows, or the number given in the problem right here. I solved this using a calculator. You're not going to have to solve for the number. I'm going to provide that to you. The main point here is to learn how Excel works. The interest expense is going to be equal to the bond's carrying value times the market rate divided by 2. The discount amortization then equal to the interest expense minus the cash interest. Alright, then the next part for the next carrying value for the bond is going to be equal to the prior carrying value. Remember, when you amortize a discount is negative in nature to the bond for the carrying value. So when you amortize or write it off, it's actually going to increase the bond's carrying value because you're getting rid of a negative part of it. So we're going to add the amount of discount amortization. But you have your notes, so you can tell the relationship here. Alright, now here's the cool thing. We only did one of the years, right? All we're going to do, the cash interest payment, we have a formula. It's the same amount each period. So boom, it's done for all 60 periods. The bond's carrying value, we have a formula which is equal to the prior carrying value plus the discount amortization. So we're going to drag it down. It's not going to be the right number yet because it depends on the other formulas, but the formula is correct. As soon as I have the right input data, you're going to see everything is going to balance out. All you do to do this, copy down the formula, you take it by this little square at the edge here. Important thing is setting up your formulas right. Alright, so we have it done. Let's make sure everything ties. So we can see it for all 60 periods here. We want to see the ending value equal to the face value, which it does. These are $1 million bonds. If we go back to the problem, 1 million ties to 1 million. The total amount of the discount we should have amortized over its life. The total discount is 121,646. We've amortized it over its life. So there we go. Excel. That's why all professionals use Excel in accounting, because it makes this so easy to do. Alright, let's look at the same thing this time for a bond premium. We're going to start off with the cash interest is going to be equal to, and in Excel you need to put that equal sign. Otherwise, if you don't put it, I'll show you what happens if you don't put it. 123 times the coupon rate of 6.25% divided by 2. And Excel just does that. It doesn't calculate it unless you put the equal sign in front of it. The bond's carrying value will be equal to its initial selling price, which is also equal to the present value of all its future cash flows. The interest expense will be equal to the bond's carrying value times the market rate divided by 2. And the discount amortization will be equal to the amount in column A, the cash interest, minus the interest expense. Again, you don't need to remember the formulas. You can write the formulas down or use your notes. Either way, this will be an open note exercise, so just worry about the Excel skills and practice it once or twice. Alright, then the new carrying value, we're going to take the prior carrying value, and we're going to subtract the discount amortization. Alright, now we have all our formulas set up. If we did this right, we should be able to copy down all the formulas and be done with this. Alright, does it tie? It's off by $1. That's immaterial. That's because we just didn't start with the cents. I rounded to the nearest dollar, so it produced a $1 variance. No one's going to care. It's immaterial. This ties out to our premium. Let me show you real quick what would happen if we made a mistake. Let's say we didn't know this was based on the market rate. We thought it was the coupon rate. 0625. It's just going to mess up our spreadsheet. So yeah, you kind of know, like if you do something wrong, it's not going to tie. See, this doesn't tie, that doesn't tie. So you can use a reconciliation as evidence that you've done it right. So let's change this back to the market rate. Alright, but there we go. It really only takes about 5 minutes in Excel to do this. You can have your notes on this assignment. I will post this on the Blackboard, so if you guys are looking for the Excel document to practice this, I'll go and erase all the numbers so you can follow this video and see how you can do it in Excel. But again, it's bonus, and if you're not an accounting major, it's okay. You don't need this, it's just bonus. Alright, until next time, I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye-bye.